Over the past 6 years, I've tried numerous side hustles, from flipping items on Facebook Marketplace to crypto investing, selling Instagram growth services, dropshipping, opening my own Shopify store, and content creation. Today, I'm ranking the best to worst side hustles using this tier list. At the end, I'll choose one as S+, the best, and one as F, the worst. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button for the algorithm, and let's get right into it. Facebook Marketplace. Let's start with flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. This was one of the first things I tried when I wanted to make money online independently. Buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace can be very profitable, especially if you focus on a specific product and understand its market. For instance, watches. If you know the market and have money to invest, you could spot good deals, buy watches, list them for a higher price and make a profit. People do this with collectibles like Pokemon cards or vintage items and even cars. Facebook Marketplace also has a section for free items, where people give things away that you can sell for $20 to $30 or fix up and sell for even more. The downside of Facebook Marketplace is that it's not entirely scalable. You're a one-person operation, limited by the speed at which you can buy and sell items. Negotiating deals, meeting up to collect items, and relisting them can sometimes take weeks. While it can be profitable, especially if you find a niche or free items to sell at a profit, it isn't completely scalable. For that reason, I'll place Facebook Marketplace in B tier. By the way, I have a free gift for you at the end, which dives in deeper on all 54 more side hustles tested. See link below. Uber. Next up is Uber. First, you need a car and you must be willing to drive strangers around, possibly risking wear and tear on your vehicle. You'll also have expenses like gas, insurance, or car payments. As a driver, you're limited by how many rides you can do at a time, usually making around $15 to $22 an hour, or up to $25 to $30 in busier areas like Manhattan, especially if you have a black SUV, for which customers often pay more. However, Uber isn't scalable, so I'm placing it in D tier. Shopify. Now, let's talk about Shopify and creating your own online store. This can be very broad. You could start a clothing brand, a dropshipping store with products from Alibaba or AliExpress, or offer services. Some people make millions on Shopify, while others make nothing. Success depends on the product or service and how it's marketed. For example, if you're selling a skincare product and marketing it through TikTok videos that link to your store, you could see significant traffic and sales. I've personally made money on Shopify through dropshipping and by selling my own products, like supplements and fitness items, which are marketed on social media. Shopify can be highly lucrative if done right, so I'll rank it in A tier. Skool. If you haven't heard of Skool, it's a subscription-based platform where you can host your own paid community, giving members access to your courses, resources, and programs. You can make money on Skool in two ways: as a creator or an operator. As a creator or an operator. As a creator or an operator. As a creator, you can host your own community and charge a monthly fee, anywhere from $10 to thousands of dollars. In my case, I run a community called the S-Class, where I provide fitness programs, weekly calls, and social skills courses. Alternatively, as an operator, you don't need a social media presence. Instead, you can approach creators, offer to set up their communities, handle all the back-end work, and take a percentage of the revenue, usually 30%. Skool is scalable because you can host thousands of members in one community, making it both low cost and highly scalable. I'm placing Skool in S tier. TikTok. Next, we have TikTok, where there are several ways to make money. For example, the TikTok Creativity Fund pays you per 1,000 views, ranging from $2 to $4. If a video goes viral with 1 million views, you could earn between $1,000 and $4,000. TikTok Shop is another option, allowing you to promote products in your videos and earn a commission for each sale. For TikTok success, you need to be creative, consistent, and willing to experiment. You'll also need a niche, such as skincare, fitness, or photography, to build an interested audience. Although TikTok can be lucrative, it's also competitive and requires significant effort, so I'll rank it in A tier. Fiverr. Onto Fiverr, a marketplace for digital services like photo editing, video editing, or website design. Fiverr can be highly lucrative, especially as you build a good client portfolio and earn positive reviews, which boosts your ranking on the platform. Once you're established, people searching for services like YouTube video editing will find you at the top, leading to more sales. However, as a freelancer, you can only handle so much work, and there's competition. Depending on your rates, you're limited to one project at a time. While you can make excellent money if you're skilled and build credibility, it's not the most scalable, so I'll place Fiverr in A tier. Dropshipping with AliExpress. Next is dropshipping with AliExpress. If you find a unique product with low competition and high demand, you can sell it at a markup through a Shopify store, promoting it on TikTok or with Facebook ads. AliExpress offers dropshipping friendly products, but you can't customize or add your branding, making it a challenge to differentiate. AliExpress dropshipping is profitable if done right, but isn't highly scalable as you're limited to the product's quality and lack branding control. For that reason, I'm ranking it in C tier. Dropshipping with Alibaba. Dropshipping with Alibaba differs from AliExpress as you can connect with suppliers to customize products with your brand. You can negotiate deals for bulk purchases and create branded items, making this more scalable. For example, Manscaped, a well-known men's grooming brand, started by dropshipping razors. As they grew, they brought manufacturing in-house, building a massive brand. With Alibaba, you can create a scalable business, though it requires upfront investment, so I'll place it in B tier. Online surveys. Next, we have online surveys. You've probably heard of this before, where they say, hey, complete this survey, and we'll pay you money. Sounds low risk, low effort, and like they're guaranteeing you money. Here's how it works. Companies and brands reach out to these online survey companies saying, hey, we want to collect data and information about our product or service. Get a lot of people to take our survey. Then the survey company turns to people and says, hey, we'll pay you X amount if you complete this survey. However, it's usually just 10 cents to $3 per survey, and it can take up to an hour. Sometimes they also add conditions, like requiring you to complete a certain number of surveys within a day, or you don't get paid. So they demand a lot of your time without rewarding you nearly as much as you might expect. A general rule to follow whenever a company promises low effort, low risk, and high reward usually won't see the high reward. So we're putting online surveys in F tier. Next, we have DoorDash. I like this better than Uber because first, you're driving your own car, but not with strangers, so there's less risk of your car getting dirty or damaged. If you live in a busy area, you can even do it with a bike or an e-bike. In places like down Toronto or Manhattan, you can quickly pick up and deliver orders without incurring gas costs. On average, DoorDash pays $15 to $25 per hour and often has a base pay incentive. Because of this, I'm placing DoorDash in B tier, above Uber. Now let's talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Personally, I've made good money with cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. I've been invested since 2020 simply holding it. No active trading or meme coins, just an early Bitcoin investment, and it's been profitable. However, cryptocurrency is volatile. You have to be prepared to see your money go up and down, especially if you're holding it long term. You must be okay with potential losses, confident it will eventually recover. Secondly, you need capital to invest. In my opinion, actively trading or buying meme coins is riskier. While there is high reward potential, the risk is equally high. If you plan to invest in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum and just hold, that's been a safer route for me, so I recommend it. Although safe and cryptocurrency don't always fit together, I do believe it's the future, so I'll rank it C tier. Next is video editing. Using Premiere Pro or another editing tool, finding your own clients, and having them pay you to edit their videos can be profitable. My editor works directly with me, no third party like Fiverr, so he keeps 100% of his profits. However, you need to find your own clients. With third-party platforms like Fiverr, people come looking for services, but when you're on your own, you'll need to attract clients or build a strong portfolio for referrals. If you can do this, it's profitable and scalable. As your client base grows, you can even hire another editor. So, I'll place video editing in A tier. Next, we have YouTube, which can be highly profitable, especially if your videos get views. Many think it requires crazy creativity or editing skills, but plenty of channels are faceless or focus on simple commentaries of memes or Reddit stories, racking up views. With YouTube Shorts, you don't have to do just long-form videos to earn money. I know people who started less than a year ago now have over 100,000 subscribers and do YouTube full-time. You don't need fancy equipment or even to show your face, just create content people want to watch. This could be narrating stories, discussing trending topics, or exploring niche areas like stocks or fitness. You can also sell products, link a Shopify store, and promote it through YouTube, add channel memberships for exclusive features, or make money by clipping content from popular shows or podcasts, posting them as shorts. Many podcast creators welcome this because it drives traffic to their original content. YouTube has minimal upfront costs and high scalability, so I'm putting it in S tier. Next, we have Sweatcoin, which pays you for walking. Sweatcoin gives you 0.95 Sweatcoins for every 1,000 steps. It sounds like free money, but really, Sweatcoin partners with companies to promote products, services, or brands. You earn Sweatcoins you can't redeem for cash, only for rewards from partner companies like gift cards. So Sweatcoin is going in F tier. Now we have Instacart, where you grocery shop for people based on their uploaded list. You go to the store, gather items, deliver them, and get paid. This is a solid way to earn money. You can make $10 to $20 per hour, sometimes up to $25, depending on your efficiency and order volume. A friend at the gym mentioned he does Instacart full-time and gets paid fairly well because there's no expense on your end beyond effort and time. I'll place Instacart in B tier. Next is investing in stocks, a la Warren Buffett. Investing in the stock market, particularly in index funds or the S&P 500, is one of the best long-term strategies if you have extra money you don't need immediately. These funds historically yield a 10 to 20% annual return. For example, the S&P 500 went up 38% in a year, meaning if you'd invested $10,000, you'd have made $3,800 without any extra work. While the market can fluctuate, the economy generally trends up over 5 to 10 years, making it a good idea for young investors with extra funds. I'll place stock investing in S tier. Now we have day trading. It can be profitable, but is also risky. In day trading, you buy low and sell high, but as they say, the stock could go up, down, or in circles. Successful day traders often make money by selling courses or letting others follow their trades in Discord groups, but it's close to gambling. So, I'll rank day trading D tier. Lastly, there's lawn mowing. If you have a lawn mower, you can go door to door offering to mow lawns for around $20 each. It's a good side hustle, but it's hard to scale. If you get a few clients, you could make $60 daily, but you'll need to be willing to move around, know how to cut grass and talk to people. For that reason, I'll put lawn mowing in C tier. Now for our top and bottom picks at the bottom F, we have Sweatcoin, since it doesn't actually pay in cash. It markets itself as easy money, but it's essentially just promoting other companies. For the best, S+, I'm putting YouTube, as it requires no upfront costs, only consistency and effort, and the potential earnings from views and various monetization options are excellent. That's why YouTube holds the crown. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to download my 54 Side Hustles dossier, which breaks down more side hustles I tested